definitely have not made my mark in the ground. I've been super nice, chill, whatever. But don't take my kindness for weakness, because it's not happening.
Okay, soon as I stepped in the club, I hit up the back, show my niggas some love. Hit the restroom up when I'm finished to see some bird I ain't seen in a minute. She's like, Banks, where have you been, honey? What it look like, bitch, getting this money, buying more clothes. I look nice, right? You be in that fake shit, and I seen yours twice. Your shoes, you weave in your purse. If you're bad, believe that I'm worse. You be online doing mad research, trying to cop some shit. She see me in first. Y'all make this way too easy. You can watch me more than your TV. Make sure she see I'm the main bitch on the show like Mo. Y'all can be
Cause I give all them competition. They don't even deserve my attention. And she can leave before her entrance. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all bitches. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all bitches.